right, guys, raise your hand if you want to see me throw it down tonight. And here to add fuel to my fire, co-host of The Kitchen, Katie Lee. And from Chop, Chef Marcus Samuelsson.
Gotta get you.
What's up, guys? This is so funny, because I was going to wear that same fish shirt today. Marcus, I've seen you everywhere lately.
Yeah.
Like, you're like taking over Harlem.
Yeah, man.
You have Red Rooster, and then you have the chicken place.
Street Bird, yeah.
Street Bird.
Seeing a part of the city evolve right in front of your eyes, amazing.
Well, you've been a big part of that. Katie, you just gonna let Marcus do all the work today?
You know, Marcus has known you for a long time.
Very long.
He knows your weak points.
Yep.
And we are going to exploit them.
That's good.
All right, so who do you got tonight?
With one of the top restaurants in Toronto, please welcome Alida Solomon. Yeah!
So, Bobby, if this contender can win over New Yorkers with his pizza-making skills, then beating you, my friend, will be a walk in Central Park.
Pizza.
Please welcome Pasquale Cozzolino.
Alida, Pasquale, what's your goal tonight?
That's gonna be an Italian smackdown.
So you're a pizza expert, huh?
I will beat you.
You will beat me. Well, you guys ultimately have the right idea. But first, you must go through each other. I'm gonna give you 20 minutes and a single ingredient, and you must make it the star of your dish. And that ingredient is green beans. You like it?
Love it.
I love it.
You do?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
The shape.
Do you like the shape? Okay. Remember, it's these guys behind me. They'll decide which one of you goes up against me in round 2. Make sure the green bean is the star of your dish. Go.
Today I'm making a melody of vegetables with guanciale and walnut salsa verde.
I'm making green beans bruschetta over sourdough bread with basil pesto.
All right, guys, only 6 minutes.
I want to go in and see what's going on here.
So I put down the seared leeks. They actually sweeten up the dish.
All right, Alida, what do we got here?
We got a walnut salsa verde.
Wow, you're fancy, girl.
I'm trying.
All right, well, what about the green beans? Don't forget
Right
the
here,
green beans.
we're here, we're good. We're gonna saute a little bit of the salsa verde.
In the guanciale fat.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Thank you.
All right, Pasquale, do not cut yourself. It's a little bruschetta, that's what we do?
Yeah. I tossing my green beans because I want the green beans coated with tomato sauce.
Beautiful. Nice. Good luck, man.
Time is almost done. I'm putting tomato and green beans all over the bread, and then some Parmigiano and basil pesto.
Getting down to a minute, you guys.
I put down the radishes, guanciale, and the carrots.
Alida, you got some green beans on the dish?
Yeah.
10, 9, 8.
Finishing it with lemon zest intensifies the flavors.
4, 3, 2, 1. So, Bobby might be our friend, but tonight we really want to see Mr. Perfect beat.
Yeah, Mr. Perfect, that's me.
So, Chef Pasquale, what did you make for us tonight?
I made green bean bruschetta with basil pesto.
This is really tasty.
It's delicious.
Thank you.
It works with the green beans. I wasn't sure how that would work,
The tomato, the hint of garlic through the pesto, highlight the green beans.
but I think maybe the green beans were slightly overcooked.
Yeah, you like the shape. Remember you said you like the shape? I don't know about this shape, you know? But overall, very successful dish.
Great job.
I agree.
So, Chef Alida, what did you make for us tonight?
I made a melody of vegetables with guanciale and walnut salsa verde.
Alida, you're a good cook and you know it.
Bobby is known for big flavors, and this is a dish that has really big flavors. But I think you really could have taken a lot off of this plate, though. We could have taken off the leeks, taken off the carrot, the radishes, then it would have really been all about those green beans.
But the center of the plate, the guanciale, the salsa verde, and the al dente green beans, that is delicious.
Thank you.
We're gonna have to figure out which one of you is going up against Bobby.
Alida's beans were perfectly al dente, but Pasquale's bruschetta was a great vehicle to make the green beans shine. They both have a chance.
So the chef that's gonna go up and beat Bobby Flay tonight is Chef Pasquale.
I did too much, but Pasquale is a super talented chef, and I got beat.
I felt like your dish was really instinctual. I'm hoping your signature dish is the same way, because if you can bring that soul, he doesn't stand a chance.
I will.
All right, Pasquale, congratulations. You seem, I'm a tiny bit intimidated only because you're so relaxed. All right, what is your signature dish?
My signature dish is white clams pizza.
I love white clam pizza.
All right, we're gonna bring in 3 judges to do a blind tasting.
And your 45 minutes starts right now.
I'm straining the clams from the liquid to make the white clam sauce.
Pasquale is using the white wine, garlic, and the clam juice to make a sauce. That's a smart move.
I add flour and let it reduce to create the beautiful ocean flavor. And now I start separating the shell from the meat.
Bobby, what do you got on your cutting board?
Parsley. I'm gonna take fresh parsley, fresh garlic, and olive oil, blend it up. I think parsley and clams go really well together.
Time is almost done, so I'm taking my pizza out of the oven.
The nerves are getting a little bit to Pasquale right now.
Right away, I add my chopped clams, some Parmigiano Reggiano, and go back to the oven. In the meantime, I'm grabbing my arugula.
What is it doing right now?
I'm making a very simple salad. It's arugula, cherry tomato, extra virgin olive oil.
Why, with 2 minutes to go, would you spend time on this?
I pull my pizzas, I cut them, it's time to plate. I put pickled peppers on it, top it with the garlic parsley oil.
I think Bobby might end up with just too much going on. 1 minute!
Pasquale, let's go.
I'm taking the pizza out. Now it's ready. Let's cut it.
10, 9, 8.
And then I drizzle my clam sauce on every single slice.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Pasquale, Bobby, it's time for you to meet your judges.
First up, the chef owner of Turtle and the Wolf, Lauren Hirschberg. Chef and Boston restaurateur, Barbara Lynch. And comedian and food lover, Rich Aronovich. So judges, today's challenge was a clam pizza. So if you can start with the first pizza in front of you.
The crust is soft on the inside, but had a nice kind of cracker crunch texture to it. So I appreciate that. The clam flavor comes through really nicely. Maybe the tomatoes, I don't really see a point to them for a clam pizza.
It's actually a beautiful pizza. I think the crust is really good. It has a lot of air in it. My dislike's a little too heavy on the mozzarella cheese, and the tomatoes are a little too large. But I have to say the crust was very well executed.
I actually really like the tomatoes on the pizza. I thought it added a really nice acid. I know it's not traditional, but I'm not traditional, so I really liked it. I love the crust. I think it's perfect for me, and I love the cheese. The salad, I like it. I don't know if necessarily is it needed. It's like you're on a date, you're bringing the friend. But it's delicious.
All right, judges, if I can have you switch your plates.
I would say the crust is not as airy, not as crispy. You can't have a great pizza without a great crust. However, what I do really like about this one is the char from the grill. That really pairs well with the clams.
I love parsley oil, and you can actually taste the brininess of the little necks. And pickled peppers brings it to this sort of New England, Rhode Island take on seafood. Delicious. But the garlic, to me, is very strong, but I'm not gonna be kissing anybody after this, so it's okay.
I love this pizza. I'm glad that there is strong garlic because I'm gonna be kissing Barbara after this. But I really love the balance of flavors. I like that there's a subtle heat. I really like the crust. I would say it could be a little bit more crispy. That's just my personal taste.
Unfortunately, there can only be one winner, so it's time to take a vote.
I took more risk with my pizza, but the judges really loved Pasquale's light and crispy crust. I mean, the guy has been making pizza since he's 14, but we'll see.
Okay, the judges have voted.
And the winner is Bobby Flay.